a fast-changing life pace, and endless workload, all you want after work is to relax in your cozy home. The latest model Tulip 101 is equipped with a newly designed vacuum channel. The ladder-shaped vacuum channel sharply accelerates its suction performance and thoroughly cleans all dust, dirt, and hair at home. Tulip 101 detects with infrared sensors and automatically cushions the bumping effects when encountering obstacles. Square front design thoroughly helps clean corners at home. Low noise design of only 60 decibels. Your leisure time will never be disturbed. Cleaning all dust and hair, the whole new vacuum mechanism design allows Tulip 101 to keep all the collected dirt from falling out. Dual filter protection with HEPA and silver ions terminates bacteria in the air. Tulip 101 can also help you mop floors at home. It can be either used to wipe the floor or to mop when you add some water. The microfiber mopping cloth underneath the robot can pick up all dust and hair clung to the floor. Exclusive use of a negative ion generator allows Tulip 101 to function as an air purifier. With just Tulip 101, home cleaning becomes simple and easy. Tulip 101 Vacuum Robot. Ememe.